wanna come over, all you have to do is this. All you have to do is this. Solve my riddles. No one goes over my bridge. No one, no one, no one, no one, no one, no one.
Excuse me, Mr. Troll.
No one.
But...
No one.
Excuse me, Mr. Troll.
No one.
But...
No one.
Unless...
Oh, yeah. Unless you can solve my riddles.
Well, we'd like to try to solve your riddles, Mr. Troll. Please?
Well, you can try.
Yay!
Okay, listen up. What grows in a bunch under the sun and is yellow and yummy? Can you guess this one?
Right, a banana. Yeah, a banana. Right, a banana. Yeah, a banana. Right, a banana. Yeah. Right, a banana. Yeah, a banana.
No. A banana. I knew you couldn't solve my riddles.
But Mr. Troll, we did say banana.
You did? Did she say banana? Ooh, you're good.
Can we go over the bridge now, Mr. Troll?
Not yet. Now I have a knock-knock joke for the monkey. Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Bananas.
Bananas too. Oops.
Sorry, but I can't hear you. I have a banana in my ear.
That's a silly knock-knock joke, Troll.
Gee, thanks. You answered all my riddles, so now you can go over my bridge. And Boots, thanks for the bananas.
Ow! Yay! We made it over the troll bridge. Where do we go next, Dora? Bridge, river, workshop. We made it over the bridge. Check. Where do we go next? The river, right. El río. ¿Dónde está el río?
Thank you.
Sí, allí está. Come on. We've got to go to Abuelo's workshop so I can make a new wish for no more bananas. Bananas, let's go. What's yellow and really sweet? Bananas! What do you have to peel to eat? Bananas! What's a yummy fruity treat? Bananas! What can make you slip on your seat? Bananas! With peanut butter or chocolate too, there's nothing I love to eat more than you. What's Boots' favorite food? Bananas! One more time in the back. Bananas! We all love bananas! Bananas! Look, Dora, cute little turtles. Hello, little turtles. Whoa! Those are snappy, yappy turtles, Boots. And they won't let us by. But we've got to get to Abuelo's workshop so I can get a new wish. Don't worry, Boots. We'll find a way. Hola, amigos. Hey, it's our friend Camila. She studies turtles with her papi in Guatemala. Maybe she can help us. Hola, Camila. Hola, Dora. Hi, Boots. Mira, Camila. Estas tortugas tienen hambre. Oh, the turtles are hungry. Si les damos algo de comer, nos dejan pasar. But if we give them a snack, they'll let us go by. What kind of snack? Veamos en mi libro de tortugas. They like lots of things, like worms, leaves, mangoes, crickets, and oh, look,
Thank
Boots,
you.
they like your favorite food. What's Boots' favorite food? Ow! Right, bananas! Ooh, ooh. I can get some for the turtles. Say it with me. Bananas! Uh-oh, the bananas are gonna bump the little turtles. We've got to warn the turtles. In English, we say, watch out, turtles. In Spanish, we say, cuidado, tortugas. Say, cuidado, tortugas. Again, cuidado, tortugas. Thanks for warning the turtles. Uh-oh, the little turtle doesn't have one. Guess we need one more. Say it with me. Banana! Dora, do you think they'll get out of the way? We'll find out soon. They're moving! They're moving! Yay! Muchas gracias, Camila. De nada. Gracias, tortugas. Están tan contentas ahora. They sure do look happy now. Hasta luego, Camila. We made it to the big river. Wow, that really is a big river. How are we gonna get across it, Dora? Look, it's our friends, the pirate piggies. And they're running in a banana boat. Maybe they can give us a ride. Yeah. But uh-oh, they don't see us. They're sailing away. Don't worry, Boots. We can call to them. Let's all call to the pirate piggies. Say, pirate piggies. Ow! Louder! Pirate piggies! One more time, really, really loudly. Pirate piggies!
Ahoy, mateys! Piggies! It's our friends Dora and Boots!
Dora! Yay! Hi, Pirate Pig! Nice banana... Yeah, nice banana boat. Pig! Nice banana... Hey! Hi, Pirate Pig! Nice banana... Hey! Hi, Pirate Pig! Nice banana... Yeah, nice banana, Pirate Pig! Nice banana... Yeah, nice banana boat. Can you give us a ride across the river?
Of course,
Thank you.
pirate friends! Climb aboard!
Life jackets, so we can be safe.
Oh, we're pirate piggies sailing out on a pirate piggy sea. Our pirate boat, it runs on fruit. What could that fruit be? Is it apples?
No!
Is it peaches?
No!
What fruit makes the banana boat run? Yell it real loud, everyone!
Banana!
What fruit?
Banana!
I can't hear you!
Banana!
Say it louder!
Banana! Pirate Pig, something's wrong.
Arg! What did our boat run out of?
Bananas! No more bananas! Now we're stuck! That's not good.
Oh,
no! Hey, I can get us some.
Can?
Sure.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Say it with me. Bananas!
Good trick, monkey!
I know.
Now we'll have to fill up the banana tank. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Is that enough?
No!
4, 5, 6. Is that enough?
No!
7, 8, 9. Is that enough?
Yes! Thanks, Pirate Pig. Thanks, Piggy.